Hello there, my name is Emin, I represent the company EMCsoft, and in this video I want you to show the case how we done development, and we call it a waiting list. Means that if, for example, some of your client requested some of your product, but you have no that product on your store for now, but once you get that product later, your client will get automatically notification that current product currently available on the store and he can buy it or assign a meeting one of your with your agents. So let's go. For example, we got a deal in that stage, and in our case client requested for a flat with type 1 in Berlin calling, right? So we closing that deal for that stage, and that means that that stage means that client will get automatical email which says that if you want to get notification about that product you requested, which is not available now. So we're going back to my email, and in that email we see the text which says that if you need that product later, please accept that you are that you will be now a waiting list. So I mean, actually this is official client should officially accept that because this is by European Union law. So we need to tick that checkbox and accept. Once our client accepts that, a deal automatically moves from that stage to stage water list. Waiter list means that in that stage will be all deals, lost deals, because of product was not available on a store. And because we got a product, client requested Berlin calling type 1, we go into the products. So we go into that product and we change it. Means that actually I'm only simulate that process because we got automatical synchronization with account and database of a client, and once account and database send data which says that that particular flat now currently available, which is put active checkbox automatically, and we save it. That client, because he requested flat in Berlin calling type 1, so I get another email, this one, and once I change it availability of a product to available, I got another email which says that, you know, if you don't need to get any emails, remove your email from our waiting list or get info about available products. So we are getting detailed instruction of what kind of products we got. This one, all this data automatically upcoming, so it's not one page for all products. All that data located inside of a product. All that data located in that product, and pictures located on Bitrix drive, and so that all that data is dynamic, so it's depend on the product itself. And type 1 details, and all these pictures come from Bitrix drive, and all these pictures depend what kind of product is selected. So each product get on pictures. So if client says yes, I do like that, he click termin. Then select when he want to see that flat, select month, select date, select time, confirm. So he got automatically assigned base of company structure, a person who going to meet him, particular that date, and he may change that, decline that termin, or download his calendar. So he uploading, downloading, starting it, and he got that right here with detailed instruction and link to change. And then automatically termin assigned to a responsible person. He got then feedback about clients and so on, but this is another process which I describe in our videos. So once meeting assigned, meeting created inside of a deal with date and time, and inside of a calendar of a responsible person, it created as well here. So that's it. If you like that video, click like. If you have questions regarding that development, ask your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.